How to fix packet loss in Fortnite. Go to the settings, find Fortnite, click additional command line arguments, and then type in, what the fuck is it called? Hyphilus. Hyphen. Hyphen limit client ticks. And just close that up and leave the settings. Also, there are some things that work for every single game, including Fortnite, and that is changing your DNS server. So click start, go to the control panel, network and internet, network and sharing center. Here for me it says internet, but for you it may say Wi-Fi. Go to properties, double click the IPv4, click the use the following DNS server address, and then type in 48 and then 8844. Then click OK. If you still have some problems with the game, go to the library, click these three dots right here, click manage, and click verify files. And that's how to fix packet loss in Fortnite. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.